Hello, can I help?
Yes, my wife sent me here. I need something for a sore throat and can't stop coughing. Really hurts.
Do you have a headache too?
Not really, no.
Well, we have this syrup and these lozenges.
Which is better?
They're both good. The syrup is more expensive.
Oh, well... I'll take the lozenges then. How many do I take?
Just one.
Sorry. I'm sorry. How often should I take it?
Just one every 4 to 6 hours. Take it before meal times. Are you allergic to any medicine?
No.
Then you'll be fine with this.
Can I get some antibiotics too?
I'm afraid you need a prescription for that.
Oh.
You know, you should really see a doctor if that cough continues.
Thanks. I know.
Anything else?
No, thanks.
That'll be £7.49 then, please.